Want to switch to ALDI Mobile but keep your current phone number? It's called number porting, and it's totally doable. ALDI Mobile operates on Verizon's network and lets you bring your number over. Here's the deal. First, make sure your account with your current carrier is active and in good standing. You'll need your account number, PIN, and personal details like your name, address, and the last four digits of your social security number for verification. Also, double-check that your phone is unlocked and compatible with Verizon's network, which most modern phones are. 1. Visit ALDI Mobile's website or app, hand select Port My Number. 2. Enter all necessary details and submit a request. 3. ALDI provides a temporary number during transition if needed. 4. Once approved, your number transfers and SIM activates. So, how long does it take to port your number to ALDI Mobile? Typically, it takes between 1 and 24 hours for wireless numbers. However, it could take up to 10 business days in rare situations, like delays from your previous carrier. Peak times, like weekends or major sales events, can also slow things down. Wireless ports are generally faster than landline ports. ALDI Mobile doesn't support porting from landlines. Porting your number to ALDI Mobile is free. But what if something goes wrong? If issues arise, you can usually cancel the port within 24 hours of approval. To make the process smoother, make sure all your information is accurate and up to date, and settle any outstanding balances with your current carrier. ALDI Mobile sends SMS updates throughout the porting process, so you'll always know what's happening.